Verbs are also known as action words, and we also learned about helping verbs, which do not show any action, but they are very important in a sentence. Now we will learn about various types of verbs according to the functions they perform in a sentence. There are 3 types of verbs. Action verbs, also called main verbs, linking verbs, and the auxiliary verbs, also called helping verbs. The action verbs tell us what the subject is doing in the sentence. Action verbs answer the following question. What is the subject doing? For example, Michael is playing football. So, what is Michael doing? Michael is playing. So, the action verb is playing. Andy is climbing the stairs. What is Andy doing? Andy is climbing. So, the action verb is climbing. Action verbs can be further classified into transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, dynamic verbs, and stative verbs. Transitive verbs are those verbs in which the action is being done upon an object. An object is always there, along with the transitive verb. She is writing a book. Here, the subject is she. And what is she writing? She is writing a book. So, a book is the object of the action in this sentence. And writing is a transitive verb, as the action of writing is done upon the object, book. There are also sentences in which the verb is not having any object. That is, the action is not done upon any object. For example, she reads every day. So, there is no object on which the action of reading is being done upon. Such verbs are called intransitive verbs. Here is another example. Michael is playing right now. Here, we know that Michael is playing, but we do not know what Michael is playing. So, playing is an intransitive verb here. Remember, those verbs which have an object are called transitive verbs, and those which do not have an object after them are called intransitive verbs.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!